Just want to quick walk through my apartment before I disassemble it. My name's Rachel. I've lived here on St. James Court in Louisville, Kentucky for the last 14 years. My daughter just left for college in Hawaii. This is all my art, by the way. We've called this place home, though, for so long. I'm packing my things up, and I'm going to take a midlife gap year. People are here actually to move.
Yeah, right out there.
That's Bonnie.
That's Bonnie. That's my Aunt Bonnie. Hopefully getting all my art in. It's my favorite little corner of the house. So I just wanted to take a little walk through. I'll probably spend a couple nights here cleaning things up. This was my daughter's room. Before I start my journey.